Hi, I'm going to show you how to record a video using ScreencastOMatic. So first, go to the internet and go to google.com and then type in a search for ScreencastOMatic, exactly how it sounds. Once you click on the link for the website, you can go and choose the free one, so start recording for free, and this will give you the option to launch free recorder. This will give you a program to run, an exe program. So once you have clicked on that, you've downloaded it, you'll get this web launch icon. So I have already clicked on this icon and now it's recording. So once it starts recording, you will get this option here. Right here, I'll just display it. So here you'll press record, and then you'll have the option to just have the PowerPoint screen, a webcam, or you could have both. So in the top right corner, I have my face here, I'm recording, and I can also show the screen. So once you've done all that and you've written your script with what you want to say, you can open your PowerPoint, open it, and then click record. Once you start recording, you've done going through all of your slides and explaining what you want to explain. You could then, after that, I've already taken a snip of those pictures. After that, you can you click done, right? And then you save and upload. After you click save and upload, you have three choices here. You can save as a video file, upload to ScreencastOMatic, or upload to YouTube. So because I don't want to lose the file, I want to make sure I have the file, this ScreencastOMatic, the free version, will disappear once you've uploaded it. So you might lose a file. So I've saved my files to the desktop. If your file is only 2 minutes long, it might be 5 megabytes. So I click save as a video file. Then make sure you type for the file name, type the name you want, and choose a file folder you can find. So make sure you pick a folder, like maybe the desktop or somewhere else where you can find it. After you've done that and you've clicked publish, you can go and look for your file. I have named my file how to record. So it's there. I already have a YouTube account, and I've already clicked on my channels. Then I can click on create a video. So here I can click on upload a video. I select file, and I believe that my file was on the desktop in this one here. It was called, wait, nope, that's wrong. Uh-oh. Let me go back. It's in link 5. I put it here, and you can see it's an MP4 file. So it says how to record. So I click on that, click open. Now it's loading. So after it has been uploaded, and actually before it's been uploaded, I can change the name, how to record a video using ScreencastOMatic, right? So perfect. I have that going. Right, it will record. It's not made for kids. Okay, so it says 95% processed. Okay, I do that. Then once it has finished, I can do a couple other things. It says add an end screen, add cards. I don't need that. So here, visibility. I can make it public. And if I do that, maybe I want to make it so that no one can comment, so I don't get any mean comments. Or I can make it unlisted so anyone with the video link can see it. I'm going to make this public, let's say. Alright, and I click publish. Okay, and once I do that, I can go to the video, and here it gives me the link, and I can send that to people. So that is how you make a screencast.